Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make traditional or kienyeji, mboga za kienyeji, and the video is going to be very easy and the outcome is going to be delicious. So today I'm preparing mrenda and pumpkin leaves. So this is how my kienyeji mboga is looking, and it's very nice and fresh. So I bought all this for 100 shillings. So the first step is to pluck out the leaves from the mrenda stalk. So the leaves are tiny, so you have to have a lot of patience. So it's quite simple. If you have someone to help you, you can ask for help. So this is how the pumpkin leaves usually look like. I've not washed the vegetables, so I'm first going to peel off the membrane. It's quite easy. You just hold on to the stalk and pull. Then you remove the membrane. This is the hard membrane I'm removing. I'm going to show you one more time. Hold on to the stalk and then peel the hard membrane. So I'm going to first prep the vegetables and then I'm going to wash. Give the vegetables a thorough wash. Next, I'm going to be adding in my monyo, which is traditionally made by drying matoke peels or bean stalks. Then you sift into a flour and then you can add some water, and the mixture that comes out of the water, that is what is going to tenderize our mboga. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of monyo to my pot, stir, and then I'm going to let this come to a boil. My mrenda is ready, and you can notice that it's a little bit slimy. So if you don't like too much slime, you can mix with the pumpkin leaf, just as I've done. So I'm going to transfer to a bowl, move over to my pot where I've added oil to my pot, the same pot. And then I'm going to add in 1 large onion. As the onions are cooking, I'm going to add in 2 seasoning cubes. I'm adding the seasoning cubes so that they can add some flavor to my mrenda. It's quite optional, you can just add salt. So the next thing is to add back my mrenda. Yum, this looks so delicious already. So I'm going to stir in, and as you can see at the bottom of the pot there is some fond. That is also going to add flavor to my mrenda. I'm going to cook the mrenda for around 2 minutes until the mrenda has absorbed all the nice flavors and it's nice and delicious. The next thing is to add in some milk. That is half a cup of milk. Stir in, and then I'm going to let this simmer for around 1 minute. My mrenda is ready and I'm going to serve myself some. Just look at that. This is the best mrenda recipe ever, and I hope you try out this recipe. So I'm going to be pairing mine with some ugali and mala, and it's going to be just perfect. You can serve also with some meat, with some protein, and it's still going to be awesome. So I hope you get inspired to try out this amazing recipe, because it is just delicious and nutritious. And I hope to catch you on my next episode. Bye.